Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Meizu 16TH to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. So to get it, you have to go for the Play Store, and I can recommend you this application. The name is CLONEit, and when you have it on the both smartphones, you can open it. And right now, if you get any request for the permission, you have to accept all of them. It is what this application needs to work properly. And right now we have to click center on the Meizu, click allow, and receiver on our Android phone. Tap on the search again, click on this icon, and we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password right here. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Click OK. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But in my case, I will go for the details, and I think that I'm going for the photos. So I'm going to unselect other stuff, and I can take this to photos, click start, OK, and as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.